Welcome back to Luxury Ride, where we bring you the most exciting updates from the world of cars, classics, concepts, and cutting-edge machines. If you're passionate about horsepower, torque, and automotive legends reborn, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a story that gets your engine revving. Today, we're diving into a beast from the past that's storming into the future, the 2025 Chevy Chevelle LS6. Yes, you heard that right. The legendary Chevy Chevelle is making a comeback, and it's bringing some serious muscle with it. But this isn't your granddad's Chevelle. This is a modern interpretation of a true American icon, reborn with aggressive styling, updated technology, and monster power under the hood. Now, let's get this straight right away, this Chevelle revival isn't being built by General Motors. It's being developed by Trans Am Worldwide, the same custom car company responsible for the modern Pontiac Firebird conversions. What they've done here is nothing short of jaw-dropping. They've taken the bones of a modern Chevy Camaro and transformed it into a stunning tribute to the 1970 Chevelle SS, complete with wide-body styling, retro cues, and absolutely insane performance. It's called the 2025 Chevy Chevelle 70/SS, and the top-tier version is known as the LS6/X, an homage to the original LS6 powered Chevelle of the 70s. Back in its heyday, the Chevelle SS 454 LS6 was a legend, producing 450 horsepower and cementing its place in muscle car history. Fast forward to today, and the new LS6/X doesn't just pay tribute, it blows the doors off. How powerful are we talking? Try 1,500 horsepower. Yes, 1,500 horsepower. That's thanks to a custom-built twin-turbocharged V8 engine that turns this muscle car into a street-legal rocket ship. If you prefer something a little more tame, well, relatively, the base model offers a naturally aspirated 450 horsepower V8, and there are several options in between, including a supercharged 900 horsepower version. The design is pure retro muscle. You get dual square headlights, a wide front grille, a cowl induction-style hood, and classic SS badging. Around the back, quad taillights and aggressive bumper design finish off the look. It's the perfect blend of old-school swagger and modern attitude. The interior, however, is all about today's comfort. You'll find leather-trimmed seats, updated infotainment systems, digital gauges, and high-end materials. Trans Am Worldwide allows buyers to customize just about everything, from the interior stitching to the wheels and paint. There are even classic colors from the original Chevelle lineup, like Cortez Silver and Cranberry Red. So what does it cost to own a piece of modern muscle history? Pricing for the 2025 Chevelle 70/SS starts around $150,000, and can go well beyond that depending on the configuration. But with limited production numbers and jaw-dropping performance, this isn't just a car, it's a collector's dream. And no, this isn't just a showpiece. The Chevelle LS6/X is designed to be driven. Whether you're tearing down the quarter mile or showing off at your local car meet, this machine demands attention wherever it goes. With the return of iconic names like the Hummer, Bronco, and Charger, it's no surprise the Chevelle is making a comeback in its own wild way. And while it may not wear the official Chevy badge, it's got enough power and presence to earn the name. Thanks for watching my channel. If you're as pumped as we are about the return of the Chevelle, smash that like button and let us know in the comments, which version would you drive, the 450 horsepower base or the 1,500 horsepower monster? Don't forget to subscribe for more muscle car madness, EV updates, and everything in between. Until next time, keep the pedal down and the vibes high.